And if you join this batch, I will ensure that you are recommended from SSB, and even repeaters, those who are somehow not able to make it through conference and they are conference out, please, you are free to come and have a guidance and session with me so that you come to know in which field you are lacking and you can prepare again. So it is a 5 days procedure, like most of you must be aware, including screening, and a lot of candidates on the first day comes back. So trust me, I got around 99% result in the screening process, and hardly any student of mine has been screened out. So if you are ready to join army as your profession or armed forces as your career being an officer, then please join us at Sigma Classes campus tomorrow at 2 p.m. Thank you.